Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making an easy waffle recipe with my raspberry maple sauce. You will be making this one over and over again. Have fun, and now go ahead and enjoy the video. Welcome back to Yummy Cooking with Joy. Today I'm making my homemade waffles. I'm going to start off by showing you how I make my raspberry sauce. Now these are clean, they've already been washed and prepped, so don't worry guys, they're clean. Make sure your stove is on medium heat. I'm using a teaspoon of lemon juice. It gives it a little pop. Maple syrup, I'm using a fourth. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, any sugar of your choice. And just make sure again, your stove is on medium heat. It's gonna glaze up at least 5 to 7 minutes. And you can cover it, but you gotta keep an eye on it, otherwise it will boil over. I'm adding 2 more tablespoons of maple syrup, and again, make it to how you like it. You may not want it sweet or not too sweet. And this is good. This has been boiling for at least 7 minutes, so this is good. Now, let me show you how I make my waffle mix. I'm using 2 room temperature eggs. Gotta take the eye out, or the white part. A pinch of lemon juice always takes the rawness. I always use that on eggs. And just mix that for a little bit. I've got olive oil and butter, so I've got a fourth and a fourth. I'll put that below. You can use oil or regular butter, it's your choice. And this is my almond buttermilk. I've made this milk before. It's in my pancake recipe. I'm gonna go ahead and put the link below. And again, make this fun, make it your own, you know? You're eating it, no one else is. This is yours. I have coconut sugar, baking powder, pinch of salt, and cinnamon. That's optional. Now use any sugar you want. White sugar, brown sugar, whatever your choice is. And you may want to add more sugar. I'm only using 2 tablespoons. You can use 3 or 4, whatever you like. Again, make it yours. Okay, fold that in and do not overbeat. You're just going to fold that in for a few seconds. And once you're done with that, just let it rest for a few minutes. And I'm going to go ahead and strain my sauce. Now, you can have it like this if you want. At times I have, but today I wanted to strain it. You can even blend it up and then strain it or blend it up and have it like that. It's your choice. And taste it just to make sure it's sweet enough, or, you know, however you want it. Again, this is yours. And to me, this is quite thick. You could add a pinch of cornstarch or put the raspberry bits back in there. I do that sometimes. Again, it's up to you. And just make sure your waffle iron is properly heated. You want to make sure that's really hot so you can get crispy waffles. And I'm using a cup. Sometimes I overdo it. I put more than I should, but that's okay. It's yours, you know? Make it your own. And this came out pretty good. I like this color. Now, if you want it darker, then, you know, go ahead and make it a little darker or a little lighter. And just repeat the process as much time as you want. Depends on how much waffles you're making. You can double the recipe. Wow, doesn't that sauce look good, guys? That looks so good, and it came out good. It wasn't too sweet. It was just right on point. And you can make this like early in the morning. You can have it for lunch or brunch. You can even make it with your family. It's a fun recipe to make with your kids. Every time I make this, it just gets better and better. Enjoy this recipe and have fun making it. Thanks for watching the video.